Assalamu alaikum everyone. Here you can see Nathia Gali. Exactly, we are very near to Nathia Gali, and you can see here is very beautiful tiger over here. And अभी हम गाड़ी में बैठे हैं और हमारे जैसे हम जा रहे थे गुजर रहे थे यहाँ से और हमने रोड के साइड पे देखा जो कि तेंदुआ टाइगर यहाँ पे है और everyone should have to know about this and should have बहुत डेंजरस भी हो सकता है कि जब आप अगर पैदल चल रहे हैं तो बहुत डेंजरस हो सकता है आपके लिए. सो बी केयरफुल ड्यूरिंग वॉक एट द नाइट. सो इट्स वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड नाउ ही इज जस्ट स्टीयरिंग अस. Might be possible that he will come in our side. Oh my god, he is very fantastic. He's very beautiful. Never see in Nathia Gali that tonight is, you can see a very beautiful cat over here, and you must care about that during at the night if you are going on a walk. It could be harmful for you. So now he's going. Just you can see over this other car has been also been stayed. It's very, very, very fantastic and beautiful. Yeah, imagine he want to jump over there. Yeah. Yes, he's goes. Yes. Okay.